Model DE07-00129A. This is what it looks like. And this is what we're replacing. After you unplug the stove, there's a little clip right here, you just push it in. Push that in right there, and then we'll get the new one. Now we got the new one in, and it'll flip up just like that. I don't want to touch anything. I'll show you that after. And that, my friends, is how I get my wife to love me again. I better not play with it if I don't know what I'm doing. Well, anyway, good luck, y'all. You can get them on Amazon by $13.